Michael! Fucking hell!
What?
You're wearing a dress?
I know.
Is it yours?
Of course it's not mine, you stupid idiot. It's my sister's. Do you want to go?
No. Look, I need to talk to you.
Are you sure? You can borrow one of my mum's.
What are you doing?
I'm just trying to on you. Oh, that's mank.
What did we get wrong?
Well, we bollocks. My dad does it all the time. Hold it.
Michael!
That's me.
Do you know that week after I had to stay behind at boxing?
Oi!
When I had to give that wife the key?
Howie.
I did some ballet.
You did ballet?
Just a few steps and that.
It's fucking weird if you ask me. Bingo! Shush.
What?
Separates. Try it off.
The wife isn't good at it. She's asked us to do an audition for the Royal Ballet.
The Royal what?
The Royal Ballet School.
To get to wear a tutu?
Don't be daft. That's only for the lasses. I wear me shorts.
Smile! What you doing? One for the album. Here, put this on. Arms.
So, do you think I should go back and do the audition?
I wouldn't if I were you. People will think you're mental.
But you dress up in women's clothing.
That's different.
Is it?
Of course it is time for a look in the mirror.
Go on then.
Yes. And the finishing touch.
Crying out loud.
See, man, there's no wrong with dressing up in women's clothing. Is it sinful if you're blue to achieve up that place? What is wrong with dressing up in satin and lace? Oh no, get some earrings, some mascara, heels and a fan. Pretty soon you will start to feel a different man. Aye, baby! What the hell's wrong with expressing yourself? Being you want to be how you join in? Will anybody die if you put on a dress? Who the hell cares if your blush is a mess?
Start a new fashion. Buckle the trends.
Emphasize integrity. Shake them shoulders, Billy!
Oh, shut up, you puff.
Cause what the hell is wrong with expressing yourself? For wanting to be me.
What the hell's wrong with wearing a dress?
Woo!
Being who you want to be.
Who the hell is it you're trying to impress? All you have to do is learn to care less. Start a new fashion, buckle the trends. Billy, sing something to me! Woo! Cause what the hell is wrong with expressing yourself? We're trying to be free. Dang it, sister! If you wanna be a dancer, dance. If you wanna be a mind. If you want to dress like somebody else, fine. Let's get these dresses dancing. It's not a big statement. It's not a weird act. Just a good idea at the time. We'll not complain about your boring life. You'll just leave it to mine. If you wanna be a dancer, dance. Shiggity, shiggity. If you wanna be a mine. Shoes!
I'm gonna meet you, Michael.
Oh, no.
Yes, I am. One
That's
shoe.
one shoe. Oh, no. Two shoe. Michael, wait.
You cheat.
Come on.